Hey, how are you? In this video, we will be explain the trailer and movie of Jurassic World Dominion. Jurassic World Dominion is a 2022 American science fiction action film directed by Colin Trevorrow, written by Trevorrow and Emily Carmichael, and based on a story by Trevorrow and Derek Connolly. It is the sequel to Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom 2018, the sixth installment in the Jurassic Park franchise, the final film in the Jurassic World trilogy, and the conclusion to the storyline started in the original Jurassic Park trilogy. As with its predecessors, Frank Marshall and Patrick Crowley produced the film with Trevorrow and Jurassic Park 1993. Director Steven Spielberg acting as executive producers, directed by Colin Trevorrow, screenplay by Emily Carmichael, Colin Trevorrow, story by Derek Connolly, based on characters by Michael Crichton, produced by Frank Marshall, Patrick Crowley, starring Chris Pratt, Bryce Dallas Howard, Laura Dern, Jeff Goldblum, Sam Neill, Devonta Wise, Mamoudou Athie, B.D. Wong, Umar Se, Campbell Scott. Production companies Amblin Entertainment, Perfect World Pictures, distributed by Universal Pictures. Release dates May 23, 2022, Mexico City, June 10, 2022, United States. Running time 146 minutes. Country United States. Language English. Budget 165 to 185 million dollars. Box office 55.7 million dollars. The film stars an ensemble cast including Chris Pratt, Bryce Dallas Howard, Laura Dern, Jeff Goldblum, Sam Neill, B.D. Wong, Umar Se, Isabella Sermon, Justice Smith, and Daniela Pineda, reprising their roles from previous films in the franchise, and they are joined by Devonta Wise, Mamoudou Athie, Campbell Scott, Scott Hayes, and Deacon Lackman. Dern, Goldblum, and Neill reprise their roles from the Jurassic Park trilogy, appearing together for the first time since the 1993 film. The film is set 4 years after the events of Fallen Kingdom, with dinosaurs now living alongside humans around the world. The film was planned as early as 2014 as part of a future Jurassic World trilogy. Filming began in February 2020 but was suspended in March due to the COVID-19 pandemic. It resumed in July and concluded 4 months later. Filming locations included Canada, England's Pinewood Studios, and the country of Malta. Unlike its two predecessors, Legendary Entertainment was not involved in the film's production, as Universal ended their partnership with the company in 2019 after the expiration of their 4-year deal. Jurassic World Dominion is distributed by Universal Pictures and premiered in Mexico City on May 23, 2022. It was theatrically released in the United States on June 10, 2022 in IMAX, 4DX, Real ID 3D, and Dolby Cinema. The film received generally negative reviews from critics who felt that the franchise had run its course. Plot: 4 years after the volcanic destruction of Isla Nublar and the Lockwood Estate incident, de-extinct dinosaurs now live alongside humans. Claire Dearing, former operations manager of Jurassic World, works to protect dinosaurs from illegal breeding organizations. Biosyn Corporation CEO Lewis Dodgson has targeted Maisie Lockwood, Sir Benjamin Lockwood's cloned granddaughter. Claire, Maisie, and Owen Grady are surprised when Blue Owen's trained Velociraptor arrives with an offspring, which Maze dubs Beta. Frustrated by being confined to the vicinity of Claire and Owen's secluded cabin, Maisie snakes away to a nearby town, leading to her being abducted by Dodgson's operatives with Beta. Owen and Claire immediately set off to rescue them. Meanwhile, a formerly extinct species of locust has reappeared and is threatening the world's crop and food supply. Pale obotanist Ellie early settler, now divorced, has noticed that the locusts avoid biosyn-produced crops, leading Ellie to suspect that biosyn is breeding them. She approaches paleontologist and former romantic partner Dr. Alan Grant, who agrees to help stop biosyn's operations. Meanwhile, Claire and Owen track Beta and Maisie to Malta, where they discover a massive dinosaur black market. As Claire and Owen disrupt the market, dinosaurs are unintentionally released, causing havoc and chaos. A biosyn operative informs them that Maisie and Beta are being transported to biosyn's headquarters in the Dolomites mountain range in Italy. While in the market, they meet Kayla Watts, a pilot who flies for the market vendors and has access to biosyn HQ. She agrees to fly Owen and Claire to the headquarters. Chaos theorist Ian Malcolm now works for biosyn. He invites Ellen and Ellie to the headquarters to secretly help them investigate the locust problem. Biosyn's communications director Ramsey Cole also works with Malcolm and covertly opposes biosyn's operations. Genetics Henry Wu has also joined biosyn and discreetly recreated the locust species, specifically designed to consume rival crops and make biosyn crops more competitive. When Maisie arrives at the HQ with Beta, Wu reveals that she is Charlotte Lockwood's daughter and clone. Charlotte, Wu's late colleague on Site B, wanted a child and used her own DNA to reproduce Maisie, making Maisie her identical clone and daughter. Charlotte died due to a genetic disease but had altered Maisie's DNA to make her immune to the disease. Wu wants to study Maisie, believing that her DNA is key to creating a pathogen to halt the locust outbreak. Blue produced Beta in the same way, so Wu had ordered Beta's capture as well. Upon reaching biosyn airspace, a group of Quetzalcoatlus attack Kayla's cargo plane. Claire ejects when Owen and Kayla crash the plane following an encounter with therizinosaurs and a pyroraptor. The three reunite after stealing a locust sample from a biosyn lab. Ellen and Ellie escape, then save Maisie from Wu's lab, having discovered the intruders via security camera footage. Dodgson sets fire to the locust laboratory to halt Ellen and Ellie's investigation. The fire spreads, engulfing the entire facility and headquarters in flames. Dodgson fires Malcolm upon learning of the traitorous actions. Malcolm helps Ellen, Ellie and Maisie escape the facilities and the entire crew meet up outside. Malcolm and Ramsey work with Ellie and Claire on an escape plan. Dodgson attempts to escape with dinosaur embryos via a monorail but is killed by a trio of Dilophosaurus in the monorail tunnel. The humans reunite yet again. A Gigantosaurus terrorizes the group until a Therizinosaurus and Ingun's surviving Tyrannosaurus Rex kill it. Wu redeems himself by offering to resolve the locust infestations and is rescued by the group. The humans escape in a biosyn aircraft back on the mainland. Wu releases a locust modified by a pathogen he discovered while studying Maisie, successfully eliminating the locust outbreak. Ellie and Ellen renew their relationship as they prepare to testify against biosyn with their sample. Owen, Claire and Maisie return home where Beta reunites with Blue. Around the world, dinosaurs learn to coexist with modern creatures. Production development. During early conversations on Jurassic World 2015, executive producer Steven Spielberg told director Colin Trevorrow that he was interested in having more films made. In April 2014, Trevorrow announced that sequels to Jurassic World had been discussed. He said they wanted to create something that would be less arbitrary and episodic, and that could potentially arc into a series that would feel like a complete story. Trevorrow was later asked how much planning he had put into a trilogy while he was filming Jurassic World in 2014, in which he replied that he knew where the story will end. He said that planning the beginning, middle and end of the trilogy ahead of time is crucial to a franchise like this. If you really like this, if you really want to bring people along with you and make sure they stay interested, to without throw on that level. It can't be arbitrary. The earlier Jurassic Park movies had pretty clear, definitive endings. They were much more episodic. In May 2015, Trevorrow stated his desire to have different directors work on future films, believing that others could bring different qualities to the series. He said, "I think this is one of those franchises, like Mission Impossible and like that they are currently doing with Star Wars, that is going to really benefit from voices and new points of view down the line. Looking at the way that franchises have been working, I am pretty confident this is the right answer for this one. We need to keep it new and keep it changing and constantly let it evolve." Trevorrow also said the series would not always be about a dinosaur theme park, stating that future films could explore the idea of dinosaurs and humans coexisting. Jurassic World producer Frank Marshall confirmed plans for a third Jurassic World film later in 2015. Universal Pictures chairman Donna Langley said that Trevorrow and Spielberg had a story idea for the film. Actor Chris Pratt, who portrayed Owen in Jurassic World, was signed on for future films in the series. Trevorrow said that the friendship in Jurassic World between Owen and Barry, portrayed by Omar Sy, could carry on into the sequels. He also said that Bryce Dallas Howard's character Claire would evolve the most over the course of the Jurassic World trilogy. Pre-production. Universal announced in February 2018 that the untitled film, known then as Jurassic World 3, would be released on June 11, 2021. It was also announced that Trevorrow would write the script with Emily Carmichael, based on a story by Trevorrow and his writing partner Derek Connolly, who worked with Trevorrow on the scripts for the previous Jurassic World films. As with the previous films, Marshall and Patrick Crowley would serve as producers, with Trevorrow and Spielberg returning as executive producers. Trevorrow was confirmed to direct the film in March after he was asked by Spielberg to do so. J.A. Bayona had directed the previous film, Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom, and Trevorrow was inspired by Bayona's work on the film, saying that it made me want to finish what we started. Trevorrow had previously been set to direct Star Wars Episode 9 before departing the project in September 2017. Episode 9 would serve as the finale in the Star Wars sequel trilogy. For Jurassic World Dominion, Trevorrow applied the experience and knowledge he gained from the Star Wars project, which he viewed as a picture run for creating a finale film. In addition, people who worked with Trevorrow on Episode 9 would later join him on Jurassic World Dominion. Legendary Entertainment co-financed the two previous films but was not involved with the third, as its 5-year contract with Universal expired in 2018. Filming in February 2020, a production unit used drones to film aerial scenes at Cathedral Grove on Canada's Vancouver Island. Principal photography began on February 24 and the film's title was announced the following day as Jurassic World Dominion. Filming in the Canadian city of Merritt, British Columbia was scheduled to begin on February 25. Filming concluded there in early March and the shoot included the city's downtown area. Later in March, production moved to England's Holy Common, where parts of the previous film were shot. Filming in Holy Common as well as Minley Woods took place over a 3-night shoot from March 9 to 11, with helicopter filming on the final night. Other filming locations in England would include Pinewood Studios, where the previous film was shot. Filming at the studios would include the 007 stage, where large sets were assembled. At exterior set at Pinewood Studios depicted a crash plane in a snowy environment. In total, more than 100 sets were made for the film. Other filming locations would include the country of Malta and its capital city Valletta. Malta was chosen as a filming location after the country's film commission introduced financial incentives in April 2019, hoping to attract the project to the area. Trevorrow also chose it because he wanted to see dinosaurs around old stones, around something that's ancient to us, just to illustrate how much more ancient these things are. The film's budget is between $165 million and $185 million. John Schwartzman is the film's cinematographer, returning to the position after working with Trevorrow on the first Jurassic World film. Schwartzman shot the movie with a combination of 35mm film, 65mm film and VistaVision. The film was shot under the working title Arcadia, which is the name of the ship that transported dinosaurs to the US mainland in the previous film. Post-production. After filming concluded, Trevorrow worked on the film in a barn behind his UK house that had been converted into a post-production facility. The film's release had previously been delayed by a year due to the pandemic, and this allowed Trevorrow time to work on visual effects, sound mixing and scoring as separate processes. Unlike most films, as visual effects were almost done, Trevorrow screened the near finished film for friends and Jurassic Park fans to get feedback and make any necessary improvements. He said that it was a much more involved process with the audience this time. The film was completed on November 6, 2021 with a runtime of 2 hours and 26 minutes. It is the longest film in the Jurassic Park series. 15 minutes were cut from the film, including 5 which would be released as a prologue. Trevorrow expressed interest in eventually releasing a director's cut with the excluded footage intact. Music. The film's musical score was composed by Michael Giacchino, who scored the previous Jurassic World films. The score was recorded at England's Abbey Road Studios over a 10-day period, concluding in May 2021. Release. Jurassic World Dominion had its premiere in Mexico City on May 23, 2022. The film began its theatrical rollout on June 1, 2022, starting in Mexico and South Korea. In the United States, Dominion was released theatrically by Universal Pictures on June 10. It was previously set for release on June 11, 2021, but it was delayed due to the pandemic. The film is scheduled to stream on Universal's Peacock website within 4 months of its theatrical release. As part of an 18-month deal, the film would then move to Amazon Prime Video for 10 months before returning to Peacock for the final 4 months. Following that 18-month deal, it will air on the Starz platform as part of Universal's post-pay 1 licensing agreement with the network. Future. Jurassic World Dominion concludes the second film trilogy and the storyline that began in the original trilogy. Although Marshall has not ruled out the possibility of future films, in January 2022, he said, "We are going to sit down and we are going to see what the future is."